say Shatta dia wo kan ho asem na asem na no kretrudo no so beba be kasa say wo ye ne mamie o wo ye ne wo fase o wo ye hwan o dan Nigeria ni be ka say Shatta e de ne kemi ntimi say Shatta wa te dia mentimi because no ye nya update bia afa ho say Shatta e de obi kana we ne mame be ka say me Shatta abekasa na asem no ano awrem na che say wusie bia there is no fire without smoke. Yes, na che say bibi koso Shatta wabekasa ono wanhwe na wo hwe Shatta nsem no wo kana ano oye yie pa wo keka kansem say first na wo so no wo bo abrabo na emu odin na wo deda cycle wo deda mata e coastal sa no abrabo ni ma ye din no na o maame e wo hefa na wato focus ama maame emre bi etwam abra ti se niam mu ye de na wo pe maame bi etu no fukura se me ba e be ye no why is the mother maame ne wanya wa beta social media sebe nkrofo enso etwa na dapa na wo se nsem bi wo a ye hwehwem ni ade ansa ya be kasa Shatta se ensem nkrofo eka wo social media no enye no na bebu na bam anane ne maame abeta social media so de ntama akota no ho akeka no enye no na be shake no wono enye we na bebu na bam enye we na be ma ni music career no ato nsuom enye we no okogya stage so anipa be kasa ye hwiripri enye we no be kasa wo mmobra because ono onim se ne yesi spend money a day no ne boys no wo mu nim se ne omu disika enti wo hwa na ensem bi ekoso ne enti Shatta yes, and because we enye de say Shatta we hwe ne mame Shatta so wonim sika die pa enti Ghana for se bi yen kaya no ntum na wo bi asem ba ye keka kan ye hwehwe mu yie na ye nya obi kaseti anase yanfo obi ambefo na ne ye nyina wono Shatta enye no ne bebu na bam we move on anase ogusu anso ekonenim ma yentie Shatta Wale emra.
What's my people they talk about my mother, my other people like you like you don't get sense. Cause they see me like as I did, I don't get sense. My mother born me where I know they watch my mother. You don't get sense. My mother give up focus. I read tested for my mother. You know the thing I do with my mother. You know that you can't be talk nonsense, you can't be talk stupid things, nonsense things. All because when I do good things for the people around me, they know they even appreciate. You know what my father and my mother put me through? They make us sleep streets. You probably maybe you will leave your house and go sleep your friend in a room or something. Me at the sleep circle, this internet in front at the sleep circle, the filling station where he died there. If he burned that place at the sleep stores in front. Those days they are shower girls where they watch me for circle. Can't take you can't do like you hustle, you suffer. You know, plenty of you where you get online, you know suffer like don't come and do like you from the trenches, trenches. You never wake up and go even drink cocoa for family house. Me, I don't even know my family house. But like I'm saying, you have to just be careful in life. Because maybe you did that way, maybe somebody can tell you something way, because anything there, you can't insult me for Facebook, or you can't insult me for social media, anything. You know they affect, you know why I know they affect me? Because that person, he can't tell you, make you lose your shine. Maybe you did there. Maybe one, you be contractor. Two, you do something where you good. Maybe the things that they do, it will fit benefit you. But because you fool too much, they can't tell you something, it wiped away your knowledge. So the opportunity where you won't come close to Shatta Wale, you know, will get down. Because I know be somebody where if you come my life inside, you go to suffer. Ask all my friends where they come with. Ask all my managers where I work with. Nobody suffer. Recently, my current billionaire manager where I get this Flex. Ask Flex. With the chop money, with the chop money like the way we chop pussy, with the chop money. With the chop money, better money. And that's why the people, the physicists and Flex can do online and run like this. Because they say like, you know the thing where they go on for background. You put take social media like we all day compounders. My guy, anything you can write for social media, it don't go affect my body one self. Because somebody saying you, the person you know if he fighting you, so he's saying you. Say make it not fight me. Bro, you go tire? You go tire?
Yes, there is no smoke without fire. And some echoes. Shatta Wale say you. Makra.